our last full day here. And look who decided to join me finally.
I'm drinking just the Coke and water.
Would you like to explain what happened last night?
I got a little too drunk.
Well, let's say it's 1 p.m. right now on, what is this, day 6?
Yeah.
1 p.m. day 6. I've already been up, went to Generations, walked around the whole thing, walked around the casitas, walked 3 miles, all while this one,
I was getting my beauty sleep.
She little pukey face. So what happened last night?
Shots just kept coming for some reason, and I have no idea. I knew I was drunk as soon as when I found myself with a cigarette in my hand. I was like, oh, yep, I'm done for. Because I don't ever smoke unless I'm wasted. And finally I started playing country music at the bar, and I was like, okay, I can't dance to this anymore. I was like, Amy, we gotta go. Within, 10 minutes of being back in the room, start throwing up.
And then what else did you do?
Oh, then I got in the shower because I felt dirty. So I got in the shower, and then I passed out in the shower.
And then she says to me, Amy, I think the shower might have overflowed a little bit. I stepped out of the bed. I was like, yep.
I flooded the whole...
Half of the room.
And then,
all the way up to the bed. The whole shower, hallway, all the way up to the dresser and the bed.
I took the rest of my clothes off, and I just basically got in bed, and Amy cleaned it up while I passed out.
I was on my hands and knees trying to get that water out of the room. Hands and knees. I had to change my clothes because my pajama pants got all wet.
Oh yeah, that's right.
My socks got all wet.
And I was just sleeping away.
And Tiffany was just getting her little beauty rest. So now she's finally up.
And the sun is going to be coming out.
We finally got a little bit of, you probably can't tell that it looks sunny, but it's not raining. And we got a break from the rain from 2 to 6 p.m.
And then tonight we're going to Italian.
And we have to pack, and we have to go to bed early. Because we have to get up at, 4:30? No,
that's time.
4:30 is what time they're coming to get our bags.
We got to get up at 4.
Yeah, because they're coming to get our bags at 4:30.
Yeah, so that gives us 45 minutes to get ready. And unfortunately, we're probably going to have to eat at the airport, which I'm fine with.
Yeah, if anything's open.
It should be at that time.
I hope so. So we're reading Tiffany's tweets from last night while she was drunk. So go ahead and start from the first one and work your way up.
Well, be drunk, but with a V in it. Someone take my phone away. Can't be drinking and being on social media. True. Let's see. Haven't be hashtag this Friday in a Swahili.
That's the one that I was cracking up at last night.
Haven't be hashtag this Friday in Swahili. What the fuck?
Wow, Tiffany. Wow.
I can't. Water does not drain very well.
It's our last night here. We just had dinner at the Italian restaurant.
Very good.
It was not my favorite though, but it was good.
My favorite, I don't know what my favorite was. I really like the Asian stuff.
I think my favorite was the Santa Fe Grill. Was that what it's called? The Santa Fe Grill?
Yes, it was good.
Yeah, we just wanted to come on here and kind of talk about our trip, I guess.
Yeah.
We go home tomorrow.
4:30 pickup in the morning.
4:45, but they're coming.
Well, yeah.
They're coming to get us at the room.
4:30.
At 4:30.
So,
going to bed early.
Yeah, I already took my sleeping pills.
Did you?
Yeah. They need to kick in. So some of the things that we liked and some of the things that we didn't like. Things that I didn't like was I wish the pools in January are very cold.
Yeah, it was really cold. We didn't really get to enjoy our swim up room.
Yeah, I don't
I
think...
mean, that was kind of our own fault because we didn't want to get in. It was cold.
It was
but
cold, though.
And the weather was also pretty cold. Like, I've never been this cold in Mexico. I wish I would have brought, like, a jacket with me.
Yeah. And then, so the pool for me was super cold, but that's just January and the weather.
It was hard to get in when we got in that one day.
Yeah, that was the only day, though.
Yeah.
What other things didn't you like? How many bugs? They don't
Okay,
turn the lights off.
Our room has a bunch of mosquitoes in it,
Yeah.
especially in the bathroom. And then our shower, that was another thing that we didn't really care for, which it's just the room that we're in. You know, if we were in a different room, it probably wouldn't be the same, but our shower drain just wouldn't drain, so we were literally just standing in our filth. Another thing, when you're walking around at night, it's not very well lit.
No.
If you don't know where you're going, I mean, they have pathways, but it's very dark. There are some lights, but not what you would think at like a big resort like this.
Yeah, it's not very lighted.
And especially like our first night here where we didn't know where anything was, that was like kind of hard trying to walk around and you don't know where you're stepping because you know, we didn't know where anything was, so. But I mean, I do like the resort.
Yeah, it was nice. I like the food. It was definitely gourmet.
Food is good. There's no buffets.
Something that they also have not done, they have not checked our temperature, not once.
Yeah, no temperature checks. Not even when we first checked in. I know at our last resort in Cancun when we went in August, they checked your temperature when you came in the building, and anytime you went into any of the places to eat.
Yep.
They didn't do that, not once here.
But they have been very good on the masks. The employees, I've not seen not one complaint for the employees.
Yeah, all the employees wear their masks.
Wore their mask, everything, and their eye goggles. Some of them did. So
Their eye goggles, their face shields.
Their face shields, but they also had some just had.
Oh, did they?
Yeah,
I didn't
eye
see
shields
that.
on.
And if you
Like safety
were,
glasses.
if you're looking to go on vacation and be around people wearing masks, I would not come here.
No.
Because I mean, the staff is very good about it, but the people,
Guests are not.
Yeah, the people who are staying here, not. I
And
mean,
there's signs everywhere telling
yeah.
people like when you come, like especially when you come up to check in at your reservation for dinner.
yeah,
It says wear your mask, and we always wore our masks
yeah.
when
like
we went in.
going
to
into the
interact.
restaurants and talking to the.
And anytime we went to the lobby or anything, but
Yeah, I mean, obviously, once you're at the pool and stuff, you don't have to have it on. It's just when you're going in the restaurants and interacting with the employees, like,
yeah,
nobody is wearing masks. So if that's
No
something,
guests
yeah,
are.
if that's something you're concerned with, then
it's a good resort. I definitely will be sending some clients to it.
yeah.
Probably won't do the swim up in January.
I just, it sucks the time of year. I don't know if it's just a fluke that it's this cold.
Yeah.
Because I mean, like I was telling Tiffany, I've been for New Year's Eve in Cancun, and I don't remember ever being cold in Mexico, ever.
Yeah.
So it could just be like a random
Fluke.
cold front. Cold front. Is that what they're called?
I mean, we really shouldn't complain about it being cold because we're from
Yeah.
Michigan, but
It was a little disappointing though that, you know,
we're
we-
still waiting.
yeah, we weren't able to like lay out and enjoy, you know, the hot weather. I was just telling her earlier, like, I haven't sweat once since I've been here.
No, haven't either. But other than that, it was good. Good room service. We did a lot of room service.
Oh, yeah.
Just good trip. And till next time.
We leave early tomorrow, so we're going to bed early tonight.
Yeah.
So this is going to be the end of our
Yeah.
trip video.
And then me and you don't have another trip until Antarctica in November.
yeah.
We'll see. Maybe.
I mean, we might come up with something small.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Get on
we
a
go home
plane
tomorrow,
and go to
and
Maine.
we're not filming tomorrow. At least I don't plan to,
I don't plan
unless
on
something super interesting happens.
Till next time. Bye.
Bye.